Hello students, now exercise 11.3 of mensuration. Question number 1 says that there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure. One is cuboidal and other is cubical box. Now which box requires less amount of material to make? Which box requires less amount of material to make? This means that you have to find out that how much material is being used to make. Now from the cuboidal box we just can see that this is a form of a cuboidal box. In this cuboidal box 60 centimeter is the length, 40 centimeter is the width and 50 centimeter is the height. For length is 60 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter and height is 50 centimeter. So to find out that how much material it requires for making this cuboidal box, we need to find out the total surface area, and the total surface area is given by the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So we just see that it is equal to, we have to put the values of length, breadth and height in this formula. We just put the values. The value of L is 60 centimeter, the value of B is 40, then plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60 as L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Now solving this, we have to just solve these questions. 60 into 40 is 2400 plus 40, this 40 into 50 is 2000 plus 50 into 60. Now 50 into 60, 5 6 is 30. So this is equals to 3000. So adding 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. 3000 plus 2000 is 5000 and 5000 plus this 2400 is 7400. 7400 into 2 will give you the total surface area of this cuboidal box to make, that is 14800 centimeter square. Now we move for this cubical box whose dimensions are given as 50 centimeter each side. Now the area, total surface area for this is given by the formula 6a square. Putting the value 6 into 50 square, and 50 square is 6 into 2500. Now this is equals to 15000 centimeter square. Now you can see that it is 15,000 and this one is 14,800. So this area is greater, so we require more material for making this cubical box. Now the second question says that there is a suitcase which is in cuboidal shape and we have to make the cover of that. So I am making the cover of cuboidal cover. The dimensions are given as 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Now this cover is made through a rectangular piece of cloth. आप थान के कपड़े से बनाना है. So you can see that it is in the form of a rectangle with the length and breadth. Width is given 96 centimeter. The question is that how much cloth is required for making the cover of this suitcase with this dimension, and if suppose 100 such covers are to be made. Now this piece of cloth is making the cover for this suitcase, so it requires the total surface area. So total surface area we need to find out using the formula as 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and putting the values, it is 2 into 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. For making 100 such covers, it is 100 into TSA, total surface area, which on calculation gives you, if suppose the length is L1, then L1 into 96, the same area of that cloth is equal to the area of our 100 cover. So that is equals to 100 into, on the calculation of this, we find that its value to be equal to 13824 centimeter square. This upon 96 to find out the length, then length is 14,400 centimeter. Converting this into meter, it is 144 meters. Now in next video I will be telling you some more questions.